Scraping, SSL, certificate underscore verify underscore failed error for this URL. I'm practicing the code from web scraping with Python, and I keep having this certificate problem. The error is BTW. I was also practicing Scrapy, but kept getting the problem, command not found Scrapy. I tried all sorts of solutions online, but none works. Really frustrating.
Once upon a time I stumbled with this issue. If you're using macOS, go to Macintosh. HD is greater than applications is greater than Python 3.6 folder, or whatever version of Python you're using, is greater than double-click on install certificates. Command file, D.
To use unverified SSL, you can add this to your code.
This terminal command. Open /applications/python /3.7/install/certificates.command. Found here, this URL. Resolved it for me. With my config. Pip install upgrade certify. Had no impact.
To solve this, all you need to do is to install Python certificates, a common issue on macOS. Open these files. Simply run these two scripts and you won't have this issue anymore. Hope this helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.